How to clean and prepare your Honda Miimo Robotic lawnmower for winter storage. The following video will guide you through the process of cleaning your Honda Miimo Robotic lawnmower for winter storage. You will need work gloves, a plastic brush, and cleaning cloth to complete this task. In order to be able to clean the underside, first set the cutting height to the lowest position available. Make sure to press the manual stop button and press the off button to turn the power off before following the next steps. First, use the cloth to clean dirt and grass off the exterior body of the Miimo. Raise the lawnmower. Do not lift it off the ground while checking or cleaning it. Use the plastic brush to remove excess grass clippings from the underside of the mower. Never use a metal scraper, pressure washer, or detergents. They may cause damage to the rubber boots and underside of the mower. To clean the docking station, unplug it from the power outlet first. Use the plastic brush to remove grass and dirt from the docking station, particularly around the charging port. The battery should be partially charged before the Miimo is stored for winter.